A few more collaborations and partnerships for ELROND, the Internet of Economy, now partnering and collaborating with one of the biggest blockchains out there and one of the many automotive car dealerships in Europe. If this sounds good to you, then continue watching this quick little video update on ELROND until the end. Welcome guys, it's Crypto-Nelly here. My name is Nelson, and if you're new to this channel, then like, subscribe and turn on that bell notification so I can continue to make videos like this for you. Also, a lot of the content haven't been reaching other viewers, so let's help that almighty YouTube algorithm get there by subscribing, commenting and hitting that like button, so then it can help grow this channel by reaching my first goal of 1,000 subscribers. And so without further ado, let's get started. So let's dive straight into it with the two new latest updates on ELROND, then a little on some pricing. So number one update, which probably has a lot of people talking about, scratching their heads, and now dividing their investments between the two of the biggest blockchains out there. ELROND now partnering with Cardano. Yes, you heard it right. So first, let's talk about the partnership with Cardano, ADA. Cardano's very own decentralized stablecoin called Adana is to become EGLD's first cross-chain asset to collateralize with its stablecoin issued on Cardano via the Adana stablecoin hub. So this is what interoperability is becoming. Blockchains being able to communicate with one another. So what does this mean for you? It means now Cardano will issue crypto-backed DUSD stablecoins on Cardano's very own blockchain, trading on their very own decentralized DEX called Dana Swap. So EGLD will be the very first non-native asset which can be used as collateral for minting DUSDs via a two-way bridge developed by Cardano's Adana in collaboration with ELROND. In the long term, ELROND and Cardano's native tokens can be used to leverage in the future of decentralized finance on both blockchains, ELROND and Cardano. So here's what ELROND's CEO Benjamin Minkel has to say. This creative exploration of collateralizing a stablecoin on one chain with the native coin of another can be a good starting point for interoperability between two progressive global ecosystems that are anchored in performance and innovation. Also commented by Adana's CEO and founder Brian Matovu, EGLD is a scarce asset with capped supply that is very in demand right now. We're excited to take on the challenge of making it available to the Adana users and offer them more options to issue DUSD that is underpinned by strong assets that imply lower over-collateralization. So there we go guys, Cardano now collaborating with ELROND, two powerhouse blockchains to speed up adoption of cryptocurrency in this world. Slowly, DeFi will be changing the way we operate with finance without any controlled centralized banks, making it unique in a way that is cheaper through a digital ledger. So this is what Benjamin Minkel, ELROND's network's CEO, has to say. EGLD was architected as a new form of money that combines blazing fast and inexpensive transactions with compelling utility and strong store of value properties. An important market player such as Auto World has already sold their first on many cars with EGLD, signaling that mainstream adoption of the internet scale economy is happening right now. And now I'll cross over to Roger Petrus, sales manager of Audi, to see what he's got to say. Auto World has maintained a rapid growth pace over the last 3 decades by embracing new market trends that have constantly elevated our customers' experience to new levels of excellence. This year, on our 30th anniversary, we are once again at the forefront of innovation by embracing blockchain technology and introducing EGLD as an efficient payment method. This blockchain is growing by the day with an ecosystem this big. Payment systems into the real world use case, an example with Auto World. By looking into ELROND's mega ecosystem, you can tell this blockchain isn't about to go anywhere anytime soon, or shut its doors and set sail into the sunset. So if we cross over to CoinMarketCap, ELROND is sitting at rank number 37 at $263.03. It's down 0.65%. with a total market cap just over $5.1 billion, with a trader volume in the past 24 hours at just over $206 million, and it's down 22.96% in volume. Now, just on the ELROND Blockchain Explorer, with the staking metrics, there's over 11,986,000 EGLD stake at 60%. The total users that staking is 84,000. The new addresses today is 465 with a total address of 815,000. The total transactions today sits over 8.7 million. So there are 3,200 active validators at the moment, with 59% in Europe, 34% in North America, 6% in Asia, and 1% in all the other countries. So what's unique about this is 93 of them are queued at the moment, which are the nodes, and at any random given time they are being put into the blockchain at selection in order to secure the blockchain a lot better. So just a quick little technical analysis on the EGLD chart. There seems to be a lot of price movement within this little pocket here where this line has been drawn and highlighted. Looks like EGLD is trying to break out with the amount of volume that's been putting into it. There's a lot of support resistance here, and support and resistance over here. The RSI is still above the 50 range, closer to the overbought territory, but we are wicking up on the candles, putting in higher highs and higher lows. If I were to draw lines on this chart, so it would look like this. We'll take the top of the line from the all-time high and we'll draw down to the bottom of this trend line, and then take another line on top of the all-time high and down to the other side of the trend line, meeting sort of like the end of the triangle. Look like something like that. And if EGLD was to bounce around this little pocket, and if it was to break out, then we'll take this sort of trend line, which is like a bull pennant flag. This will be the flagpole if that was the case, and then we'll just put it through just where it may break out from, and then you should give it an estimated target of around $400. However, if Bitcoin was to trend bearish because of some sort of black swan event, then EGLD would go bearish as well. So there's a possibility that it may break downwards, and if it did, there'll be a price target of $113, $114 of EGLD, and that's a negative scenario, obviously. Also, please guys, check down in the description area where there's a link to sign up for the Maiar wallet and get $10 worth of EGLD. Also, other affiliated links for sign up bonuses for some of the other exchanges listed there, and other links to get a ledger, NOS or X to store all your favorite cryptocurrency. As you know, it's safer to store them off the exchanges and better off using your own phrase words rather than the exchanges. So that's pretty much I have for you on ELROND with the collaboration of Adana, that's part of Cardano's network, and Auto World. And just remember guys, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I make this video only for entertainment and educational purposes only, so please do your own due diligence research before making any informed financial decisions. And please check out my other social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok for latest videos and updates like this one of ELROND and other related cryptocurrencies. I'm Crypto-Nelly and this is Nelson. I'm signing out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.